Hello, today we will introduce the cube word set to you. It's a great choice if you are going to build a cube game. Okay, let's start importing the asset. Now, let's start check the structure of these photos. As you can see, all the assets are well organized with very standard names, so you can easily understand the asset and use them very quickly. And when we click into the material photo, we can see all the material are made with standard shader, so it can provide the nice visual effect. Now let's go into the themes photo. There are several already built-in prefabs here. This thing is for real system, so you can combine them with real environment. And you can check this. It's sand environment. Looks great. And the sandstone. Here you can see all the prefabs listed here. And the stone template towers. Once you can benefit from this asset is each cube is made with standard unity size. As you can see, this is a 1 meter cube. It was built exactly with, you can see, the corridor is just 1 meter. So it's very great when you combine with assets here. Another feature for the prefabs, as you can see, let's check here. Create a new thing. All the prefabs are made with LOD. As you can see here, LOD. So it's very great for you to create performance LODs here. I think it's a great feature for this asset. Let's check the mesh of it. This mesh, it's 1000 trans, and this mesh 1000, and for this it's only 100. So whatever kind of game you want to build, it's a very great choice for you, and you can check more on this asset store. Okay, that's all for today's introduction. If you like this asset, you can search it in the Unity Asset Store. It's built by BitGem, and you will find more assets from this asset, so you can combine the elements together. As you can see, there was some very interesting ones here, and more. Okay, thank you for watching. We will bring more Unity asset introduction and Unity tips, so follow us.